Hello, I'm Doug DeWitt, Product Manager here at Conde Systems, welcoming you to the English version of our setup video for an OKI Pro 9541 WT 5-toner color laser printer. Here are the items that you're going to need. We're going to follow the setup reference guide that was included with your 9541 WT. Make sure you have this handy. Also, make sure that you have your driver disc and user's manual. You'll need these later. We will have to install the toner cartridges and the transfer belt into the 9541. But let's get started by unpacking the unit. Once we have our 9541 WT out of the box, the first thing that we want to do is remove all blue packing tape from the unit and any orange packing material that might be inside the unit, usually within the tray. So once you have that removed, we're going to go to our next step, which is installing the transfer roller. A few things to note. Do not touch the roller with your bare fingertips. Blue areas on the roller indicate where you can grab the unit. So I'm going to have Micky grab it. We open up our back compartment. We take these blue tabs, unlock them, and now we're going to position the roller into its assembly. Make sure to follow the grooves where Micky has it lined up, set in place, lock the tabs into position, shut the unit. Next, we want to install the OKI toner cartridges that came with our 9541 WT unit. Notice the corresponding color in relation to its housing, and notice the blue areas where we can grab the toner, here at this handle and here. We want to slide the toner in, pushing it all the way back until it locks into position. And we want to go ahead and do that for all 5 process colors, making sure that we are installing the proper color into its proper housing. Once all 5 toner cartridges are in place, the lid for the toner housing should shut, and next we'll activate the image drums. We're going to do that by opening the front panel and remove the black image drum to start. What we want to note is that the blue areas are the areas that we grab. We do not want to touch the green photoconductive wheel located at the bottom of the unit. Make extra care to do that. So now let's go ahead and set this down so we can activate. So here we have the black image drum. We removed the orange packing brace at the front of the drum and the orange packing brace at the rear of the drum. Now we need to unlock the drum to activate. In order to do that, we're going to pull on these orange tabs, lifting up and wiggling out until the locking mechanism is removed. We got to do it here and here to activate the drum. You might have to wiggle it a little bit, but these 2 locking mechanisms should come out. Now that the locking mechanisms are out, now that the front and back brace is removed, now this image drum is ready to be reinstalled into the 9541 WT. Now that the drum is activated, we can go ahead and return it to its housing. Simply slide the drum back in and push, and you'll feel it lock into place. Now we want to repeat the same step with the 4 remaining image drums. So now that we have the image drums activated, the remaining steps to set up the 9541 WT as follows. We're going to open up the cassette tray, take some plain paper, install it into the cassette tray, shut the tray so that it activates the sensor inside of the tray. We went ahead and plugged our 9541 WT into a wall outlet. Make sure it plugs directly in. No outsourced power, no power strip, no extension cord. We're going to turn on the master switch in the back, press the power button in the front, and our OKI 9541WT unit should power up. The first thing that you'll notice is you'll see the OKI logo displayed in the LED screen. Once the logo is displayed, the next thing the printer is going to do is it's going to do an initialization and it's going to check its RAM memory. Once it goes through the RAM memory check, as it's doing now, we should see a display message that pops up in the LED screen of our 9541WT that says the unit is ready to print, and it should show our toner levels, which with a brand new unit would be 100%. So now this unit is ready to go. The next step will be installing the driver that comes with the 9541WT, which we will feature in another video, so make sure to stay tuned. But as far as the setup of this 9541 is concerned, we are now ready to print with this unit. So we'll do the driver install, and then we'll walk you through some paper setups. Until then, I'm Doug DeWitt, Transfer Paper Product Manager here at Conde Systems. My time is up, and I thank you for yours.